this is a work in progress. The walls actually used to be white, and you'll see that in the next clip, but I'm redoing my entire bathroom. So are you guys ready to see the finished bathroom? I went ahead and got a shower curtain at the dollar store. I painted the trim. I still have a little tape on there. Oops, I forgot to take that off. Cleaned my blinds. We'll be getting a curtain, but everything, I'm excited. Everything looks decent. What do you guys think? I've been redoing my entire house, so you guys will be seeing it in portions, but I'm so very happy with it. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will be seeing you guys really, really soon in another video.